So Claude just released a new feature called routines, and in this video, I'm going to break down what a routine is, how it works, and I'm even going to show you guys a quick demo on how to set up your own routines. So let's get straight into the video. So what is a routine? Well, in the Claude Code docs right here, we can see that you can automate your work with routines. So basically, they say you can put Claude Code on Autopilot, and you can define routines that run on a schedule, trigger on API calls, or react to GitHub events from Anthropic managed cloud infrastructure. So how does it all work in the backend? So the first step is the setup, and the setup is just creating the routine. Now we can create the routine either using the web CLI, we can use the web browser version of Claude Code, or even the desktop app version. You can also use your terminal and use the /schedule command. They actually changed it from being only local to now you have the option of choosing whether it's remote or local, and I'll show you guys that in the demo. Then what we have to do is we have to define the prompt environment and the repos, because this all runs on Claude Code's infrastructure on their own VM. So for this to work without your laptop running, you basically have to put all your files into a GitHub so that they can access it through their cloud VM. Then the next step is to choose a trigger. Right now, there's 3 trigger methods. We can schedule a time. This is what most people are going to be using, basically telling it to run at 9 a.m. every day, or you can do it weekly or monthly or even hourly. The next trigger method is actually a API post request. So if you do have any webhooks or APIs incoming, it can actually trigger a Claude Code event, and you can run any workflow just from that API being triggered. This was one of the main ways that we would start workflows in N8N, so it's really cool that they added this feature in Claude Code. The next super cool one they added was GitHub event. So if you want to run a certain workflow every time your GitHub gets updated, whether you pull or push any request, you can trigger a workflow just like that as well. So once one of these triggers happen, then it initiates a run. And this run is going to run through their Anthropic managed cloud VM. So before, if you ran it locally, you needed your terminal to be open, but now everything is ran in the cloud so that even if your computer is off, you can run these workflows or AI agents autonomously 24/7. So once the workflow runs, you can also load an MCP connector, which depending on the result of your AI agent or workflow can send external messages or even tickets. Anything you could connect with a MCP connector, you can actually create a call action right after the workflow runs. So another thing it can do is it can clone your repositories, and then it can commit a Claude/branches to your repository. So if you want to go to Claude Code on your browser, all you got to do is go to claude.ai/code. Then it's going to ask you to connect to your terminal. It's going to give you a step-by-step procedure on how to do it. It's super simple, just makes you log in. And once you do all that, you'll actually have Claude Code in your browser just like this. Now, you'll see in the top left here, we have a new tab called routines. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see all your routines right over here. I already set up a routine with my Twitter Daily Digest just to test it out. Now you can also click on the calendar here, and this is going to show you all your routines and when they're gonna get triggered so that you can stay super organized and just look at your calendar anytime. Now, if you open an active routine, this is what it looks like. It's always connected to a repository. It has a set of instructions and it says when it repeats. You can also turn it on and off right over here. And on the top right here, you can change the name, you can delete, or you can test it by clicking run now. So to create a routine, it's super simple. You just go to the top right here and you click new routine. Now, once you do that, you have to give your routine a name. So for example, daily code review, then you have to give it a prompt. So this prompt will get triggered into your GitHub repository, and then this is the action it's going to take. So for example, review the code and send me a breakdown of the changes. Here you can pick the model, so we can just use Sonnet, but if you want, you could use Haiku or Opus 4.6. Then we also have to run it on a cloud environment. You should already have a cloud environment here by default, but if not, you can just add a environment, super simple. Then for this to work remotely, we're going to have to select a repository. So you're going to click select a repository here, and then you're going to be able to add any GitHub repo that you have connected to your Claude Code. Now, if you don't know how to connect your Claude Code to GitHub, all you want to do is go to the settings, Then you want to go to connectors right here and you'll see GitHub integration. Just click connect and it's going to prompt you to log in and authorize. Also, make sure that your project is pushed to GitHub for this to work. So once all that is done, over here we can select a trigger, so we can click on schedule. You can pick hourly, daily, weekdays, and you can just put whatever you want over here. You could even put custom and literally put any time you want. So if you want to do it with a GitHub event, you can just click here and set it up super simply. Or if you want to do it with an API trigger, you can just click over here. It's going to give you the curl for the code to add it as a trigger. And then with any API you're using, you can set up a post request to this trigger right here. So once all that is done, you just click create and boom, just like that, you have an active routine that will run autonomously even if your computer is turned off. So I have the Claude Code desktop app open right here, and I want to show you guys that it actually integrates right into your Claude Code desktop as well. So we see routines tab right here, and as you can see, the Twitter Daily Digest is over here and it says remote. So if you want to set up the routine over here, you just click new routine, and before we could only had the option to do local, but now we can do remote as well, and it's basically the exact same thing as we did on the browser version. So I just wanted to make this super quick video on this new Claude update. They're always doing something new, so I want to keep you guys up to date and even show you guys how to use these new features. If you did enjoy this video and learn something new, please leave a like and a subscribe. It's greatly appreciated since I am a smaller channel. Also, if you want to learn more about AI and vibe coding, I do have a Skool in the first link in the description, so you guys could go ahead and check that out. Either way, hope you guys have a great rest of your day and see y'all in the next one. Peace!